cross-country runner or a cross-country skier, what do you think? This is where the train's gonna come out. What do you think? So, if I jump in front of the train, and then I like throw the video camera, throw like the phone over like behind me, like right before I jump, it'll still be recording, right? You can get live coverage.